Alright everybody, we're back out here with the JJRC Heron. We're going to take it up and try to get some decent video now that I think I've got the gimbal working. So we're going to take it up and see what the video is supposed to look like instead of what it looked like yesterday. Okay, so let's give that a shot. Let me see my satellites. I only got 6. Nope, it's not ready to go yet. Okay, you got to have 7 satellites for it to take off. Once it gets to 7, it'll go. Now it seems to be walking backwards, you see. It's not, the positioning is not that good on this thing. It's not that good. There is quite a bit of wind out here, and it's fighting the wind. You see it tipping because the wind's blowing right in my face, so it's pointing down there to fight that wind off, but it's also losing its altitude too. So you see the gimbal is working, so now we'll be able to see what the video looks like when it's stabilized. Because before it wasn't stabilized, it was jelloized. Like I said, it does seem to fly okay. I thought I'd be able to come to this park and to get away from some of the wind, but it's blowing since it's blowing that way. If it was blowing these other directions, I'd be able to block it because of the hills there, but to no avail. No dice. So we'll get a couple minutes of video here to see what the video looks like. It's very bright out. It's hard for me to see what the hell's happening on the screens here. I need one of them sun shields or something. Yeah, it seems to be okay. But anyway, the issue with that gimbal is you have to, if you turn it on and you get it bound up, you go over there and roll your finger on the thing. If it's not working, you just shut the power back off and turn it back on, and then that seems to correct the issue. So I don't know. It says I got 60% battery and I just took off. Alright. Okay, so I think I got the gimbal issue straightened out, so. Getting some lag in the video now, so that's always good. Big time. Okay, now the other video was screen recording. Now I'm gonna record the regular video. And we'll see what that looks like, stabilized. All right, so the video, we'll see what the video looks like now. We're gonna shut it down and check it out. It flies pretty decent, guys. It's not that bad. I've seen better, I've seen worse. I think having the screen recorder was it was an issue. I think it's causing some lag. We'll see. When I get back and take all this crap apart, we'll see how it worked out. So, alright. We'll get it figured out eventually. Like I said, I didn't record any video. I didn't want to record the video and the screen recording and the app all at the same time. I thought maybe it would cause some glitching, but I think just the screen recorder itself and the app running caused it slow down enough. So, but I think this thing flies pretty decently. It's just this gimbal issue. You just got to just make sure the gimbal's on when you turn it on. You know, if it's not, you gotta reset it. Just turn it back off and turn it on again. That's all. And the battery, yeah, that's another issue, is the battery. Okay. Oh, this is my new case for this. This is the case that I had the Ozabage GoPro kit. Okay, so that case that came with it, that's what I'm using for this. Because I just put all that GoPro crap in a box, okay? So I didn't need a case for that. So, fits in there perfect. I could even fit the charger and the spare stuff in there. Alright guys, I'll talk to you later.